the Neoclassical Theory. In this video, we'll be applying the Neoclassical Theory to our own educational experience, thereby enabling you, our viewer, understand how external factors like government policies and economic trends impact our education market here in Ghana. Stick with us as we try to explain this to you.
Hello everybody, my name is Elo. I'm here with my group members, and today we're having a panel discussion on the Neoclassical Theory and its implication on Ghana's education sector precisely. Tag along with us. Habiba, what is the Neoclassical Theory all about?
Okay, so the neoclassical theory is an economic idea that says that people and businesses can make smart choices to get the most profits. It's a framework that basically shows us how people and businesses behave in the economic world. Thank you.
Dela, how does this theory relate to Ghana's education sector?
Okay, the neoclassical theory views education as an investment in human capital. People, for example, invest in education. In Ghana, it's evident that parents, for example, are ready to invest a lot. People invest so much, they are ready to pay any amount to see their world through education, because in future, they'll earn higher income, which is more like profits.
Let's dive deeper into the concepts of demand and supply. Gwen, how does Ghana's education sector respond to the changes in demand and supply when it comes to the neoclassical theory?
Okay, thank you very much. Before I answer my question, based on the demand and supply in our educational background, when we talk about the demand, it's how the students or individual have access to their educational background in terms of their secondary level, tertiary level themselves. And also the supply is the availability access they have, the resources they need. So my response to the change, there is increment in the capital investment. And a typical example is Ghana, free SHS, which came on 2017 by Nana Akufo. Yes, it helped Ghanaian process. And one thing that it did was bringing the how do we call it, free food for students during especially the COVID-19 era.
Anita, what is this theory's implication on Ghana's economic development?
Okay, so a well-educated workforce is essential for Ghana's economic growth and growth. For the government to increase access to education, the government should provide build schools, build libraries, renovate schools, educate parents on the importance of schools to us.
Thank you. Gifty, how does this theory explain how Ghana's education sector interacts with demand and supply educational sectors?
Thank you. With this, neoclassical theory explains that education works like market. So the students who want education is demand, and the school space provided for the students is supply. So both of them comes to meet at a balance point. So a equilibrium comes in when the students who want to learn and the school space provided for them are equal. Thank you.
Wow, that's a good one. What then happens when the demand for education exceeds its supply here in Ghana?
Okay, so when the demand for education exceeds its supply, there is shortage.
So let's take final words from now.
In conclusion, the neoclassical theory provides valuable insight into how the demand and supply interact. By understanding this theory, we can really appreciate the individual in decision making.
In simple terms, this is an economic theory that says people and businesses make decisions based on what is best for them and try to get the most value out of what they choose. They do this by weighing the advantages and disadvantages and choosing the option that gives them the most benefit. By applying the neoclassical theory, government and organizations tend to efficiently allocate resources and be productively high. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.